Hello, young creators. Today we are adding some style and strength to our dollhouse projects. We are making paper arches. Arches are one of the oldest building design in the world, and they are still used in modern construction because they are both beautiful and strong. In this class, we will learn to make simple and fancy arches for your miniature models. So, what is an arch? Arch is just simply like a shape like this. This is called arch. But if we want to put something on it, it will just slide on both sides. Okay. So what we need is a base. First of all we need is a base. Let's say we want to make a tunnel for train, just like this. Okay. So this is our tunnel arch, and I am going to make it like this. So I need a base where with it that it is going to hold everything on it. Okay, the first thing I am going to get, I need right here, I'm just going to take this. Okay, and on this model I'm going to cut the extras, not straight line. Okay, and I want my arch, let's say I'm using the mat to make it. Okay, this is going to be my arch. 1 2 3 4 5 centimeter wide, 2 centimeter from outside, 7 centimeter, and 2 for fold, 9 centimeter. So I need a piece of 9 centimeter. This is a piece of 9 centimeter, and I need, okay, I'm just going to cut it like that. Here I have 9 centimeter, and on each one's last centimeter I am going to make a small score on each side. Let's see. I am going to place my arch on one side. Okay, and on the other side as well. Here I have my arch is ready. You can see my arch is ready. All it needs is a gluing. Okay, now I am going to glue it on both sides. I can use the glue gun because it will need to be a little stronger, and I will just let it dry. Here we have my arch is ready, and there you are, your own miniature paper arch. You can use these above doors, windows, or even part of a small bridge. Keep practicing different shapes And next time we will learn another piece that will make your structure even more realistic and strong. Until then, keep building, keep learning, and keep having fun.